What's wrong, young lady?
Oh, Tornado Towel Man, thank goodness it's you. I think an evil villain put things in my dryer. Look at all this stuff on my clean clothes.
Don't worry, ma'am, it's not a villain. It's dryer debris. But I'm here to save the day with the tornado towel.
The Tornado Towel?
That's right. The rubberized ink combined with the polyester gathers loose hair, lint, thread, and other debris for easy disposal.
Wow! No more lint rollers. Thank you.
Don't thank me. Thank the tornado towel.
So I can use this with my entire load of laundry?
Of course.
You're my newest laundry hero, Tornado Towel.